Okay, here's a video on how to use the multiplication chart for a division problem. So let's say I have 28 divided by 7, okay? We know that this means 7 times something equals 28, right? 7 times something equals 28. When we're using our multiplication chart here, these over here are your factors in your black, okay? Up here, also your factors in your black. So if I wanted to do 4 times 3 and I wondered what that would be, I would find 4 here, 3 here, and I would see where they met right here at 12, okay? Or let's say I wanted to do 6 times 7, okay? I would find 6. 6 is one of the factors. 7 is one of the factors. I would see where they came together at 42, okay? 6 and 42. This one goes across. This one comes down. Very important to remember, this is a factor and this is a factor. Way up here, these black ones, okay? Factors down the side, factors across the top. Factor times a factor equals the product. We know that the product and the dividend are the same thing. That means our biggest number in our multiplication, the answer, the product, is all here in the middle, right? Factor times a factor equals a product. We know that this is the same thing as the product. So in division, this is where your big number is. This is where your divisor is, your dividend, your divisor, and your quotient, because we know that the divisor and the quotient are the same thing as factor times a factor equals a product. So for 28 divided by 7, we're going to take one of the factors that we know is a 7. We're going to find it over here. 7 times something up here in black is going to equal 28. So we're going to take 7, we're going to go over until we find 28, and then we're going to look up, and it's 4. So 7 times 4 is 28, okay? 7 times 4 is 28, therefore 28 divided by 7 is 4. Okay, let's try one more. Let's do 36 divided by 4 equals something. That means 4 times something equals 36, okay? So factor times a factor equals a product. Factor times a factor equals a product. So we're gonna go to 4, we're gonna go over until we find 36, and then we're gonna find our other factor, okay? We're gonna find 4 in one of the black columns, we're gonna go to the middle until we find 36, and then we're gonna look up, and that's our other black factor, okay? So 4, we want 36. We're gonna go all the way over here till we get to 36. Oops, let me scoot this over. Okay, 4, all the way over till we get to 36, and then we're gonna look up, and there it is, 9. So 4 times 9 is 36, right there. 4 times 9 is 36. Therefore, 36 divided by this 4, we can look straight up and get the 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Okay, good job.